And formation about timber market in New Zealand. The timber industry is a significant part of New Zealand's economy, with the country having a long history of sustainable forestry management practices. The industry is largely focused on the production of radiata pine, which is a fast-growing softwood species that is well suited to New Zealand's climate and soil conditions. In recent years, the demand for timber products in New Zealand has been increasing, driven by a growing construction industry and a trend towards using wood as a sustainable and eco-friendly building material. However, the industry has faced challenges such as supply chain disruptions due to COVID-19 and increased competition for logs from overseas markets. The New Zealand government has recognized the importance of the timber industry and has made investments in research and development to support the industry's growth. The government has also implemented policies to encourage sustainable forestry practices and to protect New Zealand's native forests. Overall, the timber market in New Zealand is expected to continue to grow in the coming years, driven by both domestic and international demand for timber products. However, the industry will need to address challenges such as supply chain disruptions and competition from overseas markets to fully realize its potential.